Hello guys, welcome to 2026 InfoComm. Here is our company SEEKINK in InfoComm 2026, and we mainly show the e-paper technology. We have different applications, like for example, this one is for our digital e-paper photo frame for smart home. And you can see we have different size for option, and this product is no power consumption, and it is paper review like and no power consumption, and for smart home. Yeah, and it is eye protection with e-paper technology, and no carbon. Okay, and it is charging by. It is updating the content by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can show whatever you want by refreshing the content. It is a good option for smart home. That's it. Thank you. Our website is www.seekink.com, www.seekink.com. Welcome to check our website.